Hello friends! One by one, Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers start producing their own IGBT modules. I guess it is time to see what is new in power semiconductors industry. More compact designs require greater power density, but reliability and service life are no less important to a product's performance and reputation. Vincotech balances that equation with advanced die-attach tech and pre-applied phase change material to extend lifetime and elevate power density. All Flow S3 lines feature this leading-edge tech to bring both to customers' products. Dongfeng has taken an important step to independently control the key core technology resources of new energy vehicles. Starting this month, Dongfeng's new energy passenger vehicles will be the first to be equipped with power semiconductor modules made in Wuhan. This automotive power semiconductor production line is based on the 6th generation IGBT technology. It is currently the most advanced in China. The IGBT modules produced are safe, environmentally friendly, efficient, functional, and quality comparable to imported similar products and are at least 10% cheaper. The IGBT module production line officially put into operation on July 7 is only the first phase. It can produce 300,000 sets of IGBT modules per year and has a full set of IGBT design, manufacturing, packaging and testing capabilities. ITC, the semiconductor equipment manufacturer founded in 1991 by Philips, now Nexperia, announced its launch as a separate independent entity. ITC remains part of the Nexperia group. This move will allow ITC to address the third-party market in time to serve the current semiconductor boom. It provides manufacturers worldwide access to disruptive manufacturing solutions that are built to last. ASM International introduced its Intrepid ASA Epitaxy tool for 300mm applications for power and analog devices and for epitaxial silicon wafers. Based on a proven high-volume manufacturing Intrepid platform, the new ASA tool expands ASM's atmospheric EPI offerings with ASM's first 300mm atmospheric cluster tool. The Intrepid ASA offers best-in-class on-wafer performance. An expanding range of semiconductors are needed for 5G smartphones, Internet of Things, edge computing, automotive, sensors, renewable energy, and much more. ASM's epitaxy tools are critical for depositing silicon-based films in diverse, fast-growing applications for analog and power devices, as well for silicon wafer manufacturing. Should engineers adopt gallium nitride power devices? Or is it still too early? Part of the answer lies in STMicroelectronics' recent acquisition of a majority stake in Exagan, a French innovator with unique epitaxial growth expertise and one of a select few to enable the mass deployment and production of gallium nitride power devices on 8-inch wafers. The investment in Exagan by ST is a continuation of their long-term commitment in compound power semiconductors. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching my weekly market updates. As usual, see you next week. Meanwhile, go to Market Insight website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.